Okay, so this is the part two because I realized I hadn't been showing this in my posts or in video at all, and this actually came up with a girlfriend of mine who is also another peach and who is going through a number of things because she's actually, for a number of reasons, but one of the significant factors is she doesn't get enough water. Is not drinking enough water. And Jordan, I'm actually a pretty good water drinker already, but in addition, one of the reasons some people don't like to drink their water is the flavor. For whatever reason, they're not in love with it. Jordan and I are square dancers. We love the taste of fresh cold water. It's one of the most amazing things after you've been square dancing. We're like, yay, water. So I also wanted to show this because if you go do some Google searches, you're going to hear a lot of people saying, eek, don't take essential oils internally. Well, with doTERRA, you can. The ones that are, of course, the flavors that you would want to take internally, not a number of the blends that don't say you can take them internally. I'm going to do a quick show here to let you know. One, it's in the fine print down here that says you can take it internally, but a quick shorthand is if it has the supplemental information in it, you can take it internally. So rather than starting with the juice of a lemon on an empty stomach in the morning, which is not great for our tooth enamel, the lemon essential oil or one of the other citruses like clementine or wild orange or tangerine are ones that you can take in your water, and they're great for your gut. They're great for our skin. They're wonderful as a gentle cleanse to our organs. So I'm doing my little juice glass first thing in the morning. I put like 2 or 3 or so. I'm really actually like a little bit strong. I put a few drops in. For most people, if they're starting, it's about 2 or 3 drops. And so I'm going to be sipping this for the next probably 15, 20 minutes. I don't really like to chug it. I enjoy the flavor. I want to enjoy it. So salute to your health. You can put doTERRA essential oils into your water, and it's a great way to hydrate throughout the day, but then also it's one of the ways that I start my routine in the morning. To your health.